Welcome, in this video I'm going to show you camera top tricks for Huawei P50 Pocket. So let's start from the modes. When we are in the photo mode, we can quickly change the brightness level. You have to tap on the screen and then move the sun icon to decrease or increase brightness level. You can make the same by using the video mode. Of course, we can make it manually by tapping on the screen once. It works the same for both modes. When you are in the photo mode, we can tap right here to add filters. So we can change color and the temperature. Maybe I'll show you like that on this frame. So as you can see, we can find here few presets that we can set up. I'm gonna back for the Leica standard, and in the video mode we can make the same. Right now we are going to open more modes where we can find, for example, the dual view. So when you tap on this option once, right now our screen split and we get the preview of the rear camera right here and of the front camera at the same time, and we can simply record video like that. Also, when you tap, you can change position of each view. You can put it right here. It's called the picture in the picture. You are able to mute the microphone from the rear camera, and when you keep tapping like that, you can just simply back to the preview mode. When you tap right here, we can find 3 presets. They change our temperature and the color. Let me just show you like that. So tap right here and it changed the color and the temperature for the rear camera. Okay, let's go back to the preview option. And right now I'm gonna go back from this option, and here we can also find the stickers. We have to accept this permission that pops on the screen, and right now we can add this kind of the sticker to our photos, and we can just simply take photo with this one. And that's how it looks on the photo. Take a look. Right now we are going for the settings, where we can, for example, enable the audio control. So you can say keyword or speak loudly, take photo. As you can see, the photo was taken, so this option is working. You can also enable capture smile, so our smartphone will automatically take photo when it detects people smile. I can recommend you also to change the frame rate to 60 and change the quality for 4K to get better resolution on the videos. We can enable assistive grid and a horizontal level. Right now it appears right here on the screen, and they help us to take better composition on the photos. So for example, if I want to get this hard reset logo in the middle, I can make it right now definitely easier. We can also enable the timer for 2, 5 or 10 seconds. So when you enable 2 seconds, go back and tap on the shutter. The photo will be taken after this short delay. We can also enable the watermark. So when you take photo, on the left bottom corner we'll find the exact model of our phone. Also in this smartphone we can find the Pro mode, where we can adjust few options manually. Right here it's ISO, shutter, exposure compensation, white balance. And if you don't know what is going on here and how to use it, take a look. You have to tap on this information icon and there it is. Great preview of every option. So right now you can just simply read it and then test all of these parameters. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.